Hello students, और in today's lecture we will study common potential. Common potential क्या होता है? Suppose हमारे पास दो कैपेसिटर्स हैं, दोनों की कैपेसिटेंस अलग अलग है और पोटेंशियल भी अलग डिफरेंट है. So if you connect them in series or in parallel, then what will happen? The sharing of charges will start and it will continue until the potential of both the capacitors is same. So जिसका पोटेंशियल कम है उसका इंक्रीज कर जाएगा, जिसका पोटेंशियल ज्यादा है उसका डिक्रीज कर जाएगा. ओके, और एक कॉमन वैल्यू आएगी जिसको हम कॉमन पोटेंशियल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, शेयरिंग के बाद जो दोनों का कांस्टेंट यानी कि सेम पोटेंशियल हो जाएगा उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉमन पोटेंशियल. सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज कॉमन पोटेंशियल. Common potential. Suppose one capacitor is there having capacitance C1 and potential V1. Another is having C2 and potential V2. They are connected in parallel. Okay. So what happens? Sharing क्यों होगी? Due to difference in the potentials. Okay, so let us find out the total charge before sharing. Okay, total charge before sharing and total charge after sharing दोनों केसेस में सेम रहेगा. So find out total charge before sharing. This is equal to, you know, charge is equal to, charge किसके इक्वल होता है? C into V. Q is equal to C into V. So this will be C1 V1 plus C2 V2. Charge on the first capacitor plus charge on the second capacitor. C2 V2. And suppose the common potential is, now find out total charge after sharing. This will be equal to C1V plus C2V, where V is the common potential. V is called common potential. Okay, so if there is no loss of charge, if there is no loss of charge, then charge after sharing will be equal to charge before sharing. तो charge after sharing कितना हमारे पास? C1V plus C2V. And what is charge before sharing? This is C1V1 plus C2V2. So we can write C1V plus C2V is equal to C1V1 plus C2V2. Taking V common, you will get C1 plus C2, and here C1V1 plus C2V2. Okay, so from this we can find out V. V is equal to C1V1 plus C2V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Okay, ये डिवाइड कर देगा इसको. So V is the common potential. So this is the formula for common potential. Now you can see what is C1 V1. Charge on the first capacitor plus charge on the second capacitor. Total charge divided by total capacitances. Okay. So in this case we have joined these capacitors in parallel. If they are connected in series, then there will be only a difference in the sign here. Okay. Then you will use the formula. If capacitors are connected in series, then common potential V will be equal to C1 V1 minus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. ओके, तो ये फार्मूला आप यूज करेंगे. अब शेयरिंग में टोटल चार्ज बिफोर शेयरिंग एंड टोटल चार्ज आफ्टर शेयरिंग तो सेम रहा, एक ने लूज किया तो दूसरे ने गेन भी किया, ठीक है। लेकिन शेयरिंग के दौरान देर इज ऑलवेज ए लॉस इन एनर्जी, ये हमने प्रूव करना मैथमेटिकल नाउ कि ड्यूरिंग शेयरिंग देर इज लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी, ऑलवेज एनर्जी का लॉस होता है, ओके। सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव नाउ मैथमेटिकली, ओके। लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी, loss of energy during sharing. So what is total energy? Before that, what is common potential? Formula for common potential is V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. So what is total energy before sharing is equal to, एनर्जी के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, हाफ सी वी स्क्वायर। सो टोटल एनर्जी बिफोर शेयरिंग 1/2 C1 V1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1/2 C2 V2 स्क्वायर। सो व्हाट इज टोटल एनर्जी after sharing? Total energy after sharing will be equal to 1/2 C1, or after sharing the potential is V, plus 1/2 C2 V square. Let us denote this one by U1 and this one by U2. Now find out the difference between U1 and U2. We can take out here common 1/2 C1 plus C2 V square. डिफरेंस निकालना है दोनों का, तो कितना आएगा 1/2 C1 V1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1/2 C2 V2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1/2 C1 प्लस C2 इंटू V square. Okay. So this will be equal to U1 minus U2 is equal to 1/2 C1 V1 square, 1/2 C2 V2 square, 1/2 C1 plus C2 into, put the value of V. V is common potential, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास, C1 plus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 डिवाइड बाई C1 प्लस C2 एंड होल स्क्वायर, इस पूरे का स्क्वायर करना है, ओके। सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 1/2 C1 V1 स्क्वायर प्लस 1/2 C2 V2 स्क्वायर माइनस दिस विल बी कैंसल्ड एंड यू विल गेट हियर 1/2 C1 plus C2 and in the numerator you will have C1 plus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole square. Okay. Now let us solve this one further. So this U1 minus U2 will be equal to, take the LCM. LCM is 2 C1 plus C2. So in the numerator you will get this divided by 2, 2 will be cancelled, C1 V1 square into C1 plus C2, and this into this 2 will be cancelled, plus C2 V2 square into C1 plus C2. Then this divided by this one, you will get only minus C1 V1 plus C2 V2 and whole square. So this is equal to C1 into C1, C1 square V1 square plus C1 C2 V1 square plus C1 C2 C1 into C2 V2 square plus this into this C2 square V2 square minus C1 square V1 square plus C2 square V2 square plus 2 C1 2 C1 C2 V1 V2, okay, and whole divided by 2 C1 plus C2. Now open this bracket, you will get C1 square V1 square plus C1 C2 V1 square plus C1 C2 V2 square plus C2 square V2 square minus, open this bracket, all the signs will be changed. So you will get C1 square V1 square minus C2 square V2 square minus 2 C1 C2 V1 V2 and whole divided by 2 C1 plus C2. So you can see this term will be cancelled by this and this term will be cancelled by this one, and in the remaining all the terms you are having C1 and C2 कॉमन, बाकी हर जगह से C1 C2 कॉमन निकाल लीजिए। तो क्या आएगा आपके पास C1 C2 V1 square minus plus V2 square from here minus 2 V1 into V2 divided by 2 C1 plus C2. Okay, so you can see this will become U1 minus U2 will be equal to C1 C2 and this is V1 minus V2 whole square divided by 2 C1 plus C2. Okay, ये whole square बन जाएगा इसका V1 minus V2 का. So this is positive and square of this one is also positive. So whole right hand side is positive. So we can write greater than 0. So U1 minus U2 is greater than 0. It means U1 is greater than U2. Hence U2 is less than U1. Okay. तो देखिए U2 क्या है? Total energy after sharing is smaller than, less than total energy before sharing. इसका मतलब शेयरिंग के बाद जो एनर्जी है वो कम हो गई और कम क्यों हो गई? There is always loss in the energy. So we can conclude, we can write, hence there is always a loss in the energy during the sharing of charges. Okay, thank you.